Let's spend a quick few minutes and quickly run through this complex binary integral. I'm Mr. Ish. Thank you for joining me for this video. Tan to the power of 6x, secant to the power of 6x. Both of those are high order exponents. Both of those are even. How do you go about solving a question like this? In this type of case, when the exponents are both even, push a secant square x outside and deal with that. Look what I'm going to do. You'll have tan to the 6x. I'm going to push out a secant square x. I'll have secant to the 4x, and here's my secant square x, which I've pushed out, or I've separated out. It's still part of your integrand, but you've kind of separated it out. Think about this identity. Tan square plus 1 is equal to secant square. You can substitute that for places of secant square x. Right over here, you'll have tan to the 6x. Here you'll have tan square x plus 1. But that's equal to a single secant square x. Here I have two secant square x, and you put a square over here and you get your equivalent right over here. Secant square x dx. Think about a substitution. U is equal to tan x, because you're going to convert everything now with regards to tan x. A u substitution. Du is equal to secant square x dx. Dx is equal to du over secant square x. As this dx converts to this du, the secant square x's will cancel out, and you'll have everything here come in the way of u's. You'll have u to the 6, u square plus 1 to the power of square du. That's it. U to the 6, u to the 4 plus 2 u square plus 1 du. Open this up. You'll have u to the 10 plus 2u to the 8 plus u to the 6 du integrated, and bring in your substitution as you do your antiderivative. You'll have u to the 11 over 11. You'll have tan to the 11x over 11 plus 2 over 9 tan to the 9x plus tan to the 7x over 7 plus c. That's your final answer, because each of these cases, the polynomial integral, u to the x is always going through u to the x plus 1 over x plus 1, the template for a basic polynomial integral or the antiderivative, and you're running that through. Tan to the 11x over 11 plus 2 or 9 tan to the 9x plus tan to the 7x over 7 plus c. Thank you for watching.